Day 5 continues to give here at Oshkosh. Behind me is one of only 3 mosquitoes left flying in the USA. This one has been lying derelict since 1970 and has recently undergone a 5-year restoration process in New Zealand. And in 2019 it had its inaugural flight, and yesterday I was chatting to some of the EAA officials and they said it arrived as a complete surprise. It's a immaculately restored aircraft. It's just quite something to see the form. You can't believe the whole aircraft is made out of wood, and this aircraft is probably pulling the most crowds of any aircraft I've seen here at Oshkosh. It's got beautiful armaments mounted inside the aircraft. It really gives you a feel of what it must have looked like as it came off the production line and went into service. So really having a spectacular time here at Oshkosh, and I look forward to doing this all again tomorrow.